Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this recording, we'll show you the new options for our drilling operation of our upper level according to updated stock, and also the fixture protection as well as the shortest toolpath. Let's take a look now at the operation that I've done before we actually start the drilling operation. And if we take a look at the stock, you'll see that I've already machined it down all the way down to the holes over there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start a drilling operation, and I'll choose a geometry that I have already created. In this particular case, all of these holes over here. The drill that I will be using will be a 6.6 millimeter drill, which is the size of the holes that I'll be drilling. Now, if we go to our levels, you'll note that our upper level is set by updated stock, which is taken automatically. Let me just take my lower level at the bottom over here, and I want the full diameter to go there. And if we go into our technology, we've also added the option of fixture collision protection. If I were to check that, it will also make sure that it does not go into the fixtures. Let's first keep this at safety distance from upper level. If I were to do save and calculate, and then simulate, you'll note the following. The drill will go down and will go directly above that hole. That above this hole over here, that's exactly where it's going to start drilling. When it does that, it'll do the same thing, go up to its safety distance above that area, and then go to the next hole. Again, drilling exactly from that area. Now, if I were to change this to shortest distance, note the following. This time, when I do my simulation, you'll see that the drill goes down to the hole and then goes directly the shortest distance to the next hole. Now, since there's a clamp over here, it's going to now jump over that clamp, skipping that hole, and then going to the next hole. Doing the same thing here. Now, when it goes to this area over here, it has to jump over this material over here. So, therefore, it'll do exactly that, and then stay down until it gets to the next area where it has to jump over, avoiding those areas. This is the shortest toolpath. Now, when it gets over here, it will also skip over this hole that's actually underneath this material where this clamp is, because the fixture protection is turned on. Now, let's do one more thing, and we'll take the previous operation and we'll just suppress it. So my updated stock at this point is the whole block around the part. As you can see now, the drilling operation itself has to be recalculated. So all I'm going to do is just calculate it. And if we take a look at the simulation, since the stock is from the top, you'll see that the drilling will actually start now from the top, but still jumping over the clamp. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website, www.solidcam.com, and look for our Professor tab. Take care and have a nice day.